How to fix the system detected overrun of a stack-based buffer on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the system detected overrun of a stack-based buffer on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Windows button and then go with command prompt and go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you just need to simply enter a command. So the first command is sfc /scan now and hit the enter. Once you've done, scan now NOW, and once you've entered that, you just need to simply go with enter and it will scan your whole computer and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you can go with the second command, which is dism.exe /online /cleanup -image /restore help and hit the enter and wait for a few minutes till it loads to 100%, and after that your problem may be fixed. But if that again doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the second method, which is performing a clean boot. To do this, you just need to simply enter the Windows button and then type msconfig and just go with system configuration. Once you open the system configuration, now in here head over to the services tab and tick the box next to hide all Microsoft services, which is right here on the bottom left, and then select the disable all button, which is on the right side, and move to the startup tab and go with open task manager. Now in here locate the problematic service and simply disable them from the list. Afterwards, you just need to simply restart your computer and check if the problem persists. Next in line, you can also repair this error with system resources. To do this, you just need to simply press the Windows button and go with your settings, and on the left pane you will have system option. Go with system and then scroll down, and after that you will have an option of recovery. Go with recovery and then go with advanced startup and then go with restart now. Once you've restarted, then you will get a blue kind of interface where you will have 2 or 3 options. You just need to simply go with the troubleshoot option and then go with your advanced options. Under advanced options, you need to go with system restore and it will start up repair and this computer will be fixed properly. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last or another solution is to restore your computer to the earlier date. To do this, you just need to simply press the Windows button and simply type in RSTRUI and hit the enter. And here you will have restore system files and settings. You just need to simply go with next and point in the time before the problem occurred and then click on next. And after that, finish the button to start the restoration process. And after that, you need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the system detected overrun of a stack-based buffer on Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.